Okay, very good. And install this following: npm install bootstrap. Not out of the project folder. Open cmd in your project folder and there run it. If you install outside, it will not work. Clear now? You need to go to the project folder and open cmd. npm install bootstrap. npm install SweetAlert. npm install React router DOM. Install this three. npm install bootstrap. In project folder, open the cmd. There you run npm install bootstrap. Again, run the next command. npm install SweetAlert. npm install React router DOM. Completed. Code space dot enter. VS Code will open. Code space enter. Project end-to-end functionality is important to understand. Okay. It should not be only for formalities that you have joined the project class also. Correct, no? End-to-end functionality you should know. Then only you can explain someone. And you can also mislead someone. Correct, no? Suppose you want to keep some fake experience. To whom you are going to mislead? Team lead. Correct, no? You are going to mislead HR. Correct? You are going to mislead some company director. You are going to mislead some upper level people. Correct, no? Now the people who are already handling the company team and technology, those kind of people you are going to make fool, saying like I have 2 year experience. Correct. Preparation should be strong. Correct, no? Then only you can make someone fool. Else, or you can make someone to believe in you that no, you have a knowledge. Okay, so for that preparation should be strong. One day join, next day not join, next day depend on video, next day my laptop was not working. Today I join in mobile only. Correct. So those points are negative, should not be there. Someday I didn't get up. Or someday even I have the loose motion. मैं बता रहा हूँ टुडे मेरा लूज मोशन था, हम दवा खा के आए हैं इसलिए थोड़ा लेट हो गया हमको. ठीक है, नहीं तो मोस्टली लेट नहीं होता है, लेट होता है तो मैं बता देता हूँ पहले ही. Okay, so let's go. We'll go to the src folder and we have a file index.js. Under the index.js file, one CSS file is calling, right? Index.css. After that, you can write import bootstrap. Once you write BOOT, suggestion should come. Coming suggestion that represent module is installed in proper place. Bootstrap / dist / css / bootstrap.main.css. Bootstrap dist css bootstrap.main.css. Okay, so bootstrap installation was done plus bootstrap integration happened. So in React, this is a way to link with which one? Bootstrap. In project folder npm install you do, the module package will get installed bootstrap. That will come under this folder. Which folder? Node modules. And after that, in the index.js file or any of the component, in every component you can call this component wise if you want to call, but there is no logic to call the component wise since library is same. So call one place in index.js file and it will work everywhere throughout the project. Since we are in this file, so restrict mode is there, remove that. Else it call the same script 2 times. Restrict mode is written here, you can remove. It is not going to give more impact, but while writing the code and all, the same script will execute twice. Let it be only app here. Only app config. Okay, then next work will be, you can do npm start also. So we'll keep checking error is there or not. So right here npm start, npm start. npm start. What is the name? Why you are running the port number something? Stop other things. Okay. If already project is running one project, you should stop it. That look like system was not shut down last 4 5 days. You know, one CMD is already running, that is running only. What is the name install, sir? What is the name install? Hmm? This following you need to install. Okay, this all are the thing to install. Don't keep log out and log in. Be constant. Then only will come to know what is happening. Okay.
Sir, now,
Huh?
sir, the showing like this already running on port. What to do, sir?
How many CMD is running in your system?
2 CMD, sir.
Shut down the system again, start. Again, do the npm start.
Okay, I need to restart the system.
Huh.
Again, I need to install this Bootstrap, Sweet Alert, everything, sir.
Why to install it? Already installation is done.
Okay.
Restart the computer, go to the again, which folder? Project folder,
Ah,
and open CMD and do npm start.
okay, sir. Okay.
Now, how can I place a CMD is running? How I'll come to know? People will do the npm start in VS Code also. People do npm start in separate CMD. Correct? System is not shut down last 10 15 days. 100 tabs are open. Solution is only one. Okay. Okay. So this installation part is completed for everyone as well as these all are the basic thing, no, that we have done already. At least other installation we have not done, but last installation we have done. npm install react router DOM. That should not be the problem of installation and linking in the app.js file. Vishal Vinay Lal. Vishal Vinay Lal. You are the cousin of Vishal, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But why log in so late?
No, I was using my phone. I was traveling. Then now I am using my system. That's why. I was there. I was there from the beginning.
All installation and all is done.
No, no, I had to do it now.
Vishal was so punctual, I don't have answer to say something. And you are his cousin and you are very late.
Sorry, sir.
Because of his punctuality, he is in a sky now.
Okay, sir.
You should learn from him. Okay, next we are going to work on folder structure first, right? So we will divide the project first into two modules. It is the shopping application where entire functionality will come. You will learn a lot of things. So in that we will create two modules. One module will be go to SRC folder and one folder you create called seller. Seller, SELLER folder. Under the SRC folder, one folder should be seller. Seller. And in SRC only, one more folder should be called customer. Customer or user you can give. User. Two folder you create. Seller and user. What to be installed, I will show you again and then I will send you in the this one chat. From there you can get idea. And then what to install that is available in the Zoom chat. According to need, you can follow it. Okay, so in SRC folder, how many folder? Two folder. Seller as well as user. When public will come and open your website, they will see all the feature from the user folder. Okay. And after that, one seller will come and he will log in. He will see all the feature from the seller folder. Created. So go to the now seller folder and create one file seller app.js. Seller app.js. Seller app.js. Inside that, you will write a component. Seller module. Seller module. Export default. Seller module. Export default seller module. Inside the seller module, right here, dip return H1 this is from seller module. Also you can write here class name text danger text center, we can write better to identify whether bootstrap is getting applied or not. Now we'll complete one more file, then we'll input both. So seller module, inside that you have written just simple H1. This is from seller module. What is the meaning of 200% hike? 200% hike का मतलब क्या होता है? 200% hike. Hike, salary hike. 200% salary hike. अगर 10 लाख है तो फिर 10 लाख का 200% कितना होगा? 30 लाख हुआ ना, मतलब 100% 20 लाख और उसके बाद फिर 100% कितना 30 लाख होगा. Okay. Now suppose current salary is at 20 lakh, correct? So कितना का 200% हाइक 20 लाख होगा? 10 लाख का. तो 200% 100% 20 lakh हुआ ना? No, the person said like I got 200% hike and my current salary is 20 lakh. 20 lakh some company has offered him. So it is a 200% hike of his previous salary. The previous salary should be how much? No, previous salary should be how much so that the 200% hike will be 20 lakh. 6.5. तो कितना हुआ डबल? 13 लाख. 19-20 lakh. Okay. One of our students yesterday messaged him that he was working for Accenture. Okay, he has 2.5 year experience now. Okay, or 3 years he has completed nearly. Then another company has given him 20 lakh salary. He has learned the React recently 330 batch, not current 330, previous 330 batch. He has learned the React and then he was working here as a front-end developer only. 3 years completed in Accenture and Citrix or some Centrix, Concentrix something, some company that उसी तरह का कुछ नाम उसने लिखा है. The company has given me 200% hike Now the CTC is 20 LPA. अब बताइए, the person was going to the office by BMTC, assume before, now they will go in car or not? From BMTC directly change to heaven, where? Car. Correct or not? Now you think like, person can imagine, okay, 30% hike, 40% hike, 50% hike, correct? Any field where 200% hike will come, assume his salary was 7 lakh, okay, 7 lakh. 7 lakh से directly 20 lakh. ठीक है, हम भी कल बैठ के सर खुजला रहे थे थोड़ा कि हमको भी कुछ दिलाता है ऐसे. Yeah. That is called skill. Okay, that is called skill. The person you will see, no, you will never feel like he is the equal to 20 lakh. Okay, he's like he will put big chandan. You know the brother of Raman, who was that? Brother of Raman? Bhavikan. Vibhishan. So his chandan style is like Vibhishan. When I came first time here, no, then I saw, oh, you came to learn or you came to some advice. Okay, then he said from my childhood I am a vegetarian. My entire family look like this only. Okay, white color chandan he put and very good long hairs. Okay, very lean thin boy. And then he attended the class very well. He have very good analytics power also. He has advised me some 2-3 syntax. Okay. Now then he messaged yesterday. Good. Now suppose you are at 20 lakh, then be there for 2 years. After that, minimum 10 more lakh will come. You will reach somewhere 30 lakh. Okay. That is the salary where? In the IT industry. Okay. One time entry will be difficult. Once you enter and then start working, start exploring yourself, then infinite opportunity. Okay. Even keep in mind, who is paying that 20 lakh? Company. Correct? It's a company only, no? It's not government organization. That you will sleep for 5 days in home and salary will come on time. Okay. 20 lakh, whoever is offering, he will have very good expectation also. They will give the project of minimum 5 crore rupees project. Okay. And they will feel like you should deliver in a year the project of how much? 5 crore. Okay. So there we have to give the output according to 20 lakh. Okay. And if the people feel like now I am on 20 lakh, let's Saturday, Sunday should be in the Goa. Next Saturday should be Lonavala. Next Saturday, Sunday should be the moon. Correct. What will happen? Next year, cycle will also not come in hand. Company will terminate and say you are not eligible for 20 lakh. Real story. One of our student only. From college, he got place on 14 lakh. Yatra.com. Okay. He was facing the problem. He attended the Node.js class. Okay. Someday he will attend, someday he will not attend. I told you, brother, you are already facing the problem in office. Company is paying the salary up to bottleneck. For fresher, what should be the salary? Mid-level company can give 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 8 lakh. They have offered you 14 lakh. They have looked something inside. Then only given you 14 lakh. Now one day you are attending, next day you are not attending. You are already facing the problem. Next challenge, what will come, I don't know. You be ready. Okay. After 20-15 days, he messaged like, sir, problem happened. What problem happened? The company has given the 3 month salary and they say like 18 is your last working day. Okay, 10 days advance they given the notice. 3 months salary is also they given. Say like 10th is your last working day. Okay. After that, the person frustrated. Correct? 14 lakh means nearly 1 lakh rupees should come salary. Expense should be like that only. After 1-2 months, he messaged like, after 6 months, there is an opening in the ISRO for particular scientist position. I am from the similar background. Shall I prepare? See how frustration happened. The person who is earning 14 lakh, after that what happened? Because of some misuse of the time, not clear on the point, not putting 100% effort, not working as a honest developer, okay, not giving the value of the return of the company what salary is paying. Person came on the road. Then what happened? Negativity start. Leaving the IT and going to where? Become a scientist. Okay. I suggest him, see, like you, many lakhs of the people will be waiting for that openings. Correct. What is the guarantee you will clear it? Okay. So the road what you are following from beginning as a developer, be on that only. Put some effort. After some time, you get some better opportunity. Again, he got job somewhere. 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs somewhere. He is working. Yeah. So IT have lot of money. Matter is of your how you are going to utilize that platform. Okay. Okay. So whenever the job will come in hand, don't feel like government is paying the salary. Feel like a private person is paying the salary. And his expectation is triple than what they are paying you. Okay, no? To pay the 20,000 salary to an employee, the person should earn every month 1,20,000. 1 lakh will go to the company and 20,000 will go to the salary. Okay, if the company is paying you 20 lakh your salary, correct? Then assume minimum 5 crores should be your profit from you. Then only the company will help you out. Else they'll say, sorry, I cannot manage. Go ahead. Okay. So be clear in that point. Some people are still utilizing the time in the belly way. Okay. They are not clear. They are not, you can say, concentrate. They are not, you can say, something called serious about the time. So once the time will go, no, very bad situation come, difficulties will happen. Okay. My brother son also, he was misleading the developer. He was doing something. He got job after 7-8 months. The company people made him in testing engineer. After 2 months, they terminated. Okay. I was suggesting him follow the guidelines. Okay, don't follow beyond what suggested you. When you go to the big people, lot of people are there. Don't show your attitude. Okay, don't go beyond the what companies are expecting from you. Okay, don't be the lower performer. Don't be the very higher performer. Maintain the track. Okay, don't show more. Don't show less. Okay, do that much only that is required. He was not following my instruction. When the bad time came, then I also was in the email list saying like we are terminating it because the company manager is my student only. Okay, let's go ahead. So we created user module. The people who are not installed and something was pending, they have done everything. Come, go to the user folder now. In user folder, create a file called user app.js. Info Campus is also an example of honesty. Long back, I was working for the Cisco, and in one project we worked day, night for 1 year. Okay, the project was of 20 crore rupees. 6 people will deliver the project in 9 months nearly. After that, the client become very happy. The client given the 4 lakh rupees as a bonus to each developer. Okay, the 4 lakh rupees we invested in Info Campus, and Info Campus started. Okay, now from that 4 lakh, see how many families are happy in the market. Multi-thousand developer is working in the market. That I have trained. So multi-thousand families are happy. Multi-thousand people lifestyle got change. Correct. So what you want to do in your life, you have to decide. Correct? No? आपको decide करना है. Okay. So you should not think like when I go somewhere, everything will happen automatically. To make everything automatically, you have to make it automatic. Automatic will not happen automatically. Automatically has to made by human only. Honesty is the big policy. Work hard. Believe in yourself. Definitely opportunity will come. If you put your 100% effort somewhere, Not today, not day after tomorrow, not after 10 days, after 1 month. When the calculation will happen, no, this effort is from whom? The God will come to know, this effort is given by Ganesh. Give to Ganesh. Means what? You are the Ganesh. Assume you are the Ganesh. You have done some effort. You have learned everything you have implemented time. You have spent the time properly. You have learned very good. You have a skill. Maybe for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, opportunity may not come. But when you have put your 100% effort somewhere, definitely one day calculation will happen and someone will come to you, knock the door. Hi, come. We have a requirement for you. Yeah. But honesty will not follow anywhere. Problem will happen. Okay. Return H1. User module is working. User module is working. User module is working. User module is working. We can write here also class text center, class name text hyphen center. Text hyphen center. Next, after this, two modules are ready, user module as well as seller module. Okay. We will go directly to the app.js file, and in app.js file, we will call this both the module. In app.js file, call both the module, import both the module. In app.js file, import both the module. In app.js file, import both the module. Import user module as well as import which one? Seller module. User module and seller module. Okay, done. Import user module and seller module. Now inside this app.js file, some extra division and all was written. So you can remove that code. Follow the empty tag here. Okay, no need to follow any empty tag. Okay, just hold on. We have how many modules? Two modules are there. Now this module will not load blindly in the browser. Module will work based on need. Okay, based on need the module is going to work. So let me create a variable. Let user, okay, let me create a variable called login equal to true. Just for testing purpose we are writing this line, all will change. Login equal to true. So what is inside the login? True, correct? You will write if condition below. If login, if login. So what that represent? We wrote if login. So what if return? By default as a true. So is if login means if the login is true. Okay, if login means if the login is true, then return that component. Which component? Seller module. Seller module. Return seller module. Return you must keep inside a, should be like is a function. Single line. So I have written in one line only. If no need to write here, if no need to write, below we can write, sorry, curly bracket no need to write, okay. Below else we can add, else return user module. Else return user module. This way you can write if and else. Inside the if, why we have not followed the curly bracket? Because if you have a single line statement, the curly bracket is not required. So if login, then return user module. So that is the single line statement. Curly bracket is not required. Else return seller module and user module. Now save it. Look into the browser. What is printing? Check in browser. Which one? Seller module. Seller module, because login is true now. So seller module will come definitely. You can see like this. Seller module will come in the browser directly. Also make as a false. Also make as a false. Then see what is coming. User module. So one line of a statement will change completely page. Correct. So once the user will log in, seller will log in. After that, we will do something. Okay. And based on that, the content in the page will get changed. Website will be same. Based on login, the content will get changed. Okay. No login, then something else. Login, then something else. So hope work for everyone. Now it's saying called user module is working. Happen. Very good. Working for many people. When 31st December will come, when 31st December is the end of the year, no? Means next year is coming, 1st January, correct? So when 31st December, 12 o'clock night will happen, सब लोग छत पर चिल्लाते हो, जाके चिल्लाते होंगे. Everyone will go and say Happy New Year, something, no? You should not do that. What you should do, when the year is about to end and year is about to come, okay, there should be one diary and one pen in your hand. And you should write the resolution for the which year? Coming year. What you want to achieve in the coming year. Correct? Clear or not? So hope for this coming year, there should be diary and pen in your hand. At what time? Not 3 days before and not after 5 days also. Exact when the year is about to end. The last hour of the year. That is what time? 11 o'clock night. 11 o'clock night to 12 p.m. Correct? There should be diary and pen in your hand, and you write a commitment in the first page of your diary. Last page में नहीं लिखना है. That should be the new diary. 10, 20 rupees, 100 rupees, whichever you feel. Okay? It should be the first page of the diary where you should write the resolution of the which one? Coming year. Okay? And again, when the year will end, the next year, new diary should be in the right side and old diary should be in the left side. And you should ask from yourself that when the year was started, you have done some commitment in the first page of the diary, correct? Look at your face in the mirror and ask from you, have you done it? Correct? If you have done it, then you have achieved the, which one? Your target. If you have not done that, means what? You have not performed very well in the last years. समझे कि नहीं? Possible to do? Possible, no? If you want to touch the moon, being on the earth, you have to do that. There is a two way to touch the moon. Which way? Rent a helicopter and go to the moon. Touch and come back. One option. Another option, be on the earth and increase the length of the hand in such a way where hand should reach till where? Moon. I'm not saying the first option. I'm saying which one? Second option. Put effort on yourself in such a way that what should happen? All the resolution of the year should get fulfilled. Correct? Understood? No? If you want to grow very well in the life, end of the year you must write a resolution, and that diary after writing don't throw such a way where it should not look ever. Daily look into the diary once while sleeping. The diary should be below the pillow, and before sleeping the diary should come in front of you. That what you have written at the beginning of the year, where you reached, how many is what are the things are still pending. Okay, समझे? Clear, no? See, one person log out also. Okay, come next. So look at the page. So user module is working, correct? So based on one condition, what will happen now? Complete project module will get changed. If user is login, then seller module. If not login, then which one? User module. Now in the app.js file, we are not going to write any more thing. This much is in the app.js. We have made user module. User module related routing, user module related import, export, all will happen in the user app file. And then seller module related all routing and all will happen where? Under the seller app. So that when the user module will load, it should have their own everything. And when the user module, seller module will load, it should have their own everything. Okay. And it should not be like log in as a user and you are able to see the, you open the website and you are able to see the functionality of seller. Okay. It should not be like. Without login, user should not touch the seller module. Okay. That way. Come next. So go to the which one? User folder. Okay. Go to the seller folder better. Okay. In seller folder, create a file called dashboard.js. Dashboard.js. Next, go to the seller folder. Again, create the next file called orderlist.js. Orderlist.js. Go to the seller folder. Again, create a file called productlist.js. Productlist.js. And again, create one more file in seller folder that is called new product.js. New product.js. Okay. So this is the basic need inside the seller module. Okay. Seller module, now I'll tell you what we are doing is when you order the product from the Flipkart. Okay. Does the Flipkart sell the product? No. Flipkart is a platform where anyone can sell the product. Flipkart will take the commission. Okay, Flipkart will take the commission of the product. Seller is somewhere else. Like suppose you have a shop in Marathali or anything shop, you want to sell some product in the Flipkart, you can apply there as a vendor. They will verify everything. If all is well, they will ask you, no problem, you can sell the product. So upload your product in the Flipkart and product will display to the user. Flipkart team will verify all the product description, quantity, price, everything competitive according to rule regulation. If everything is well, then they will enable your product. Now when customer will come to the Flipkart and they will search the product, something, some item, some category wise your product will be visible. If customer will like, they will order it. Okay. When customer will order the product, then order of product will be visible to those vendors who are selling the product. Like suppose I am selling the laptop, particular laptop, and customer came and they placed the order of my product. Then that order will be visible to me only. That order will not be visible to someone else. I will log in the Flipkart and I will see, oh, we receive an order for a particular item. Then packing will happen and packing process will start immediately. Courier people will come, e-card people will come, they will collect the product, they will put their label and all. And after that product will go to the transit, and from there delivery will happen. Then dispatch will be done by another team of the e-card, correct? So who is selling the product? Flipkart. Now assume you order two products where one product is belong to seller number 1 and one product belong to seller number 3. There is no limitation. You can select the product from the multiple sellers. Okay. You will find one product will come today and one product will come after 3 days. Both product will not come together. Very rarely both product will come together. Okay. Why that happen? Because the product what you order, in that one seller is in Delhi and one seller is available in Bangalore only. The Bangalore seller will deliver the product tomorrow itself. Packing will happen, local delivery will happen fast. Delhi seller will deliver the product after 3 days because it will take transportation time. Because of that, what we feel one item came today, one item will come tomorrow. Even sometimes we ask also from the delivery boy, I have ordered 2, why you bring only 1? Then he will say one more will come, madam, tomorrow. Or one more will come, sir, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Correct, no? So here seller, as a seller, you are going to sell the product in your website. Okay. As a seller, you are going to sell the product. So suppose you will order 2 products, then what will happen? One seller will log in, he will see one order. Another seller will log in, he will see the another product. Correct? So we are making the project something like that only. Okay. It will be multi-vendor. Multi-vendor means one platform and vendor how many? Multiple. Okay. One order, 3 items. But 3 items belong to 2 sellers. One seller will log in, he will see one order has come. Another seller will log in, he will see the 2 order has come. But the customer is same. Customer will remain same. Correct? That functionality we will be developing where? Under the seller module. A seller will log in, he will see how many products he has and how many order he has received. When he go to the order list, he will see what are the product and how many quantity and who is the customer. Okay. He can add the new product. He will have list of the product. He can add, delete, everything he can do. He can maintain his own inventory orders and all. Okay. This is the seller model. When the customer will come to the website, customer will see list of product. Okay. He will just go to the product, add to cart. After doing the add to cart page will appear. In cart page, he can increase the quantity, decrease the quantity, he can delete the item, and finally he will place the order. Payment gateway we will not integrate. Okay, it will be cash on delivery. Add the item to cart, increase, decrease the quantity as per name, give the customer details and place the order. That order will be visible to whom? Seller. Once seller will log in, he will see, oh, order has come. What product order has come, the seller will see. right? So overall, this will be the complete functionality. In that, where we have the product list, we can we can apply the pagination, we can apply the search. Where we are going to place the order, there we can apply the validation. Where we are going to add the product, there we can apply the validation. Where we are going to list the product in seller login, there we can apply the pagination and search. Okay, so if you are able to do overall end-to-end, then hopefully you can make someone good for 1 to 2 years. 2 years तक आराम से किसी को manipulate कर सकते. Another person is there. He will teach you the Git class. He will teach the Git class is today at 11 o'clock. So if you are available, you can join. If you are able to join, then next he will take the Git class after finishing this 1 or 2, 3 classes. Then आप लोग Git पढ़ाया था ना ये पढ़ाया था, right? A project, after creating the project, he will guide you how to upload where in the Git. Development I will do, build I will do, then finally he will guide you how to upload everything where there in the Git. Okay. My profile was not on the Git because whichever the company I worked, those company was a standard company. They have their own everything. Okay, SVN, every VPS server, not VPS server. What is it? Okay, so they are everything we need to keep in our server only. No need to upload into the some other server because project will be the costly project. Okay, mid-level company, a small level company, project will be 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 8 lakh, 2 lakh, 50,000, 10,000, 15,000. They will upload anywhere. They will upload in the Git also. They will create the repository and upload in the Git also. But suppose the project is 10 crore rupee project. They will never upload in the Git. Okay, they will feel like, no, it's costly project. We cannot put in someone else. To maintain the backup and all, they will keep in the development server. Everything will be their own server. Okay. So the company where I work, those company they have their own everything. So Git I have not implemented ever in life. Okay. When the matter came to implement some server, I purchased the server and there I uploaded everything. He have the knowledge on Git, he will teach over time. Okay. So seller module is all files are ready. Okay. Let's go to the file wise and we will see, we will add 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, and then we will come to the routing. We will cover the routing part. We will create the navigation and then we'll go one by one. Okay. So in new product, right here, const new product. Return H1, write simple for new product. Okay, export default. New product. Export default new product. Joining now. Okay. New product component is ready. Come to the next file, product list. Go to the product list. I have one student, his name is Khadar Wali from Andhra. He had learned from me in 2015. 15 to till date, how many years? 15 August he has got job. 15 August he has got job. 15 to 20, 5 years? 8 years. 8 years about to complete. Okay. His salary, can you imagine his salary? आप थोड़ा सोचो कितना सैलरी हो सकता है. How much can be the maximum salary? No, his experience is total 8 years now. What should be his maximum salary? Hmm? 1 CR तो नहीं है, but 62 lakh. His salary is 62 lakh. Okay, and in the same batch, one more person was there. He has not completed his BTech. He has 6 paper backlog. He is also from Andhra only. Okay, they have joined together. Okay? Classes. His salary is 50 lakhs a month. Okay, he has 5 paper backlog. He is manager in account. Understood, no? The Khadar Wali name I am saying, if you look at his face, his body structure, he look and feel, okay, God has created everyone. All designs are unique. We cannot comment on anyone. But no one can imagine his salary should be the 62 lakh. Okay. No one can imagine that his salary should be 62 lakh. In 8 years, he has reached till that position. Okay. Right. That meaning he has done very good growth is in his career. Like scientist, you can't give any work. Okay, any work, कुछ भी दे दो आप, he will be able to deliver. Okay. In 2015, their salary was starting from 5 lakh rupees. One company has hired 3 people from Offlet. They started from 5 lakh. Okay, they develop a project, and that project now, that was the hiring project. Company will do use, no? HR will use the project for hiring the people. That project is developed by 80%. That project is used by 80% company in the market. The project they develop, that project is used by 80% of the HR in the market. 80% of the company in the market. इतना बड़ा project बना है लोगों ने. And after looking into those all activity experience and all, some company given the very good salary. After that again, some company given very good salary. And both the person to whom I am talking, both are not in India now. They are out of India. They are in the Singapore. Whenever they will come, they will visit to Infocams. The person who has 5 paper backlog, his name is Jack Krishna. Okay, Jack Krishna. Okay, he is a very good person. Like, he will give lot of opportunity to the female people. Okay, he has given lot of students to Info Campus, especially female, from their area, from his district, his known people who has completed BTech, BSc, IT and all. Their parents will contact him, and that person will come. They will ask me, teach him, and as soon as the course will finish, he will keep him in his team only. Okay, he will hire under his team only. He will hire under his team only. So in his team, most of the people is from where? Andhra. Okay. And whenever he will come, he will say, sir, out of 52 or 50 people, 10 people will deliver the output. Remaining people are only the count. Remaining people are only count. Okay, we do the billing from the client. If that is the situation, then I have given the more opportunity to female only. Okay, if the count is increased, means let's increase from female side. Okay, their work we will do. Okay, anyhow, they are getting salary, billing is happening. Okay, the 6 paper is not matter now. What is the matter? The thought is matter. Okay, because of good thought, see, God also has supported him. Okay, something happened, whatever happen, leave it. Now, whatever you are doing is doing good. So, for you also something good. Okay, chaliye. So, next file, product list. Go to the product file. So, this is called my product. Okay, we'll give the name called my product. Call my product. Inside the my product, you can write called product list. Product list. Product list. So two components are ready. My product is the name of the component in product list. Okay, go to the again order list. In order list, you can write called my order. Write the function, give the name of the function called my order. Component name is my order. Okay, in order list, const my order export default my order. Return H1 as a order list. Okay, one more is left, that is called dashboard. You can write inside my dashboard. My order is written. Now come to the dashboard. Const my dashboard export default my dashboard return H1 okay. So hope all components are ready. Now this all file belong to which module? Seller module. So we have a file called seller app. In the seller app, we need to import these four components. Okay, go to the seller app. In the seller app, import my dashboard, import my product, import my order, import new product, and before this all the lines you should import the as router routes route but not the link. Okay, link we will not import here. Link we will import in some other file. We will create a separate header file. Okay, imported. So you will remove here the H1 and you will write here hash router. Inside you will follow the routes. There you will follow the route. Exact path slash then element dashboard element dashboard element or my dashboard element. My dashboard element. Again, add below product list. Then you will call here call my product, new product. You will call new product. Order. You will call my order. So routing is done. Link is left out. So link we will not write in this file, else it will become little long code. For linking purpose, we'll create a separate header file and we will call here. Okay. Okay, so after it is written, we have to create one file. In that, we will provide the link. So in the seller folder only, create one more file, seller header, sellerheader.js. In the seller folder, create a file called seller header.js. Seller header.js. In which folder? Seller folder. In the seller header folder, see in project, when you are creating anything as a project, okay, project meaning is what? That should give some solution, okay. Next, when you are writing the code, your code should not be able to understand only by you. Your code should be able to understand by everyone, okay. So wherever the possibilities are there, make your code developer friendly so that anyone can read and they'll understand, oh, this is for this purpose. Okay. It should not be variable name x1, variable name b12, variable name n11. Correct? What is the meaning of that? No meaning, no? File name, something. Okay? File name, folder name, function name. Okay, everything should be meaningful so that when you write half code and leave the company, some other developer will come. Company has spent the money for you. Again, new developer will come. He should not feel like entire code is useless. He should feel like I should start from here. Then only what money the company has spent it for you, that will be useful. Else it will become a useless. Okay. So we'll never try to make someone in the loss. Write the code clean so that it will be reusable. Further, we can reuse it. Seller header created. Go inside. Import in that link from React router DOM. Okay. Import link from React router DOM. Const seller header. Seller header. Export default seller header. Return we will make this header in Bootstrap. In Bootstrap, we have navigation, no? That navigation will use, but that we will not use now. We will use the navigation as of now simple link. We will complete the functionality and at last we'll come back and we will apply here the, you can say Bootstrap navigation. The nav code will copy paste and we'll change the color combination. You follow the, which tag as of now is, any tag you follow, ULLI will not be suitable. We can write here header tag. In header tag, we can use the link tag and write called dashboard. Second, third, fourth. Okay. Dashboard, manage orders. New inventory. Manage inventory. Also, there should be link for logout. So for link logout, I will follow here directly any other tag also. Suppose example a tag and write here welcome. seller 1. And after that also call logout. We will modify this file, but we are adding only the something. Now go to the link tab, write link to only slash. Here also link to. You have given already the path in the seller app file. Correct? In seller app, what are the path we have given? I will look once. Product list, new product order. Okay. This is called order or orders. Order. Then new product. Next product list. This 3 link we are given. Hyperlink will be there. You can use a class here. Class name. ME5. Margin right 48 pixel. Margin end 48 pixel. End means where? Right only. Since the start is from the left. Add this class everywhere. Simple line will come. Hyperlink will be there. On the click of that, functionality will happen. We have not linked as of now seller header. Just you created the seller header. Create it. Okay, so hyperlink is ready. Now let us go to the next file that is called seller app. Next here you are given dashboard only slash order new product list. Okay. Logout we have not added anything. So next we'll go to the seller app. This code is sent in your chat. You can use this code also. Completed seller header. Come to the seller app file. Import that seller header. And seller header you can add before roots. Seller header add you can add before roots. So instead of making the multiple hyperlink here, we created the separate file and that file we imported. So code become as a clean. Seller header. Okay, written. Now come to the again index.js file, and in index.js file, it should be done for everyone. Okay, if you are writing, write it. Will take 1 more minute time. Tomorrow is the Sunday. Most of the people have no office. Whoever are working, maybe they will have office after 9:30. But the tomorrow is Sunday, no office for anyone. Tomorrow class will go somewhere till 10 o'clock. 7:30 we gonna start till 10:30 we can continue, so that at least design part of all the pages should be ready. Working, so come to the index.js file. In index.js, not index, sorry, app.js file. In app.js file, you have to make login as a true. In app.js file, login should be true. In app.js file, login should be true. Then only it will show you the seller module. Seller module, login should be true. In the app.js file, login should be true. After that, you can see hyperlink is coming. And on the click of that, the components are getting changed. So this routing is from the seller module. Okay. This routing is from the seller module. So in seller module, whichever the pages are there, that page will load here. Okay, so let me send you the SRC folder also. If any mistake happen anywhere, you can use this SRC folder. It is coming to your Zoom chat. I will send in the WhatsApp group also. So finally, you can reply once whether working for how many people. I'll count the head ones. On the click of that, the pages are loading or not.
So can you show one's seller app.js?
Which file?
Seller app.
Seller app.
This is-
Seller app is here. Seller app.
Sir, can you show me your output?
My output is here. In the click of that page will load.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay, then thank you for today. We'll see you tomorrow. 7:30 we'll try to log in. 7:30 to 10:30 like that. So that at least the static pages of all the components will be designed.
Sir, GitHub class is there today?
11 o'clock.
Okay, sir. The record session will be there, sir, because I have an office today.
Git person will not record the session. You have to attend it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See,
Thank you, sir.
that recording is based on number of hours. That class will go for long hours. Now what video I have recorded now, it
Hmm.
is a big trouble for us where we'll upload. This video will be 500 plus MB.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Okay, it will take half disk space.
Okay.
This video what we have recorded, in this 2-hour class, it will be
Huh.
500 plus